Welcome to our exploration of artificial intelligence, your guide to the technologies shaping our world. AI is an umbrella term covering several fascinating subfields: machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and generative AI. Machine learning is a foundational subset of AI. Systems learn from data and make decisions without explicit instructions. Arthur Samuel coined the term in 1959 when he built a checkers program that improved through play. Supervised learning trains algorithms on labeled data, for example, teaching a model to flag spam by learning from examples. Unsupervised learning finds patterns in unlabeled data, like grouping customers based on their shopping habits. Reinforcement learning learns through trial and error, refining strategies in games like chess by rewarding success. Machine learning fuels Netflix recommendations, powers Google searches, and drives predictive analytics in finance and healthcare. Deep learning is an advanced form of machine learning inspired by the brain. Deep neural networks use many layers to handle complex data like images, video, and audio. They automatically extract features without manual guidance, enabling breakthroughs once GPUs and large datasets took off. Thanks to powerful GPUs, deep learning achieved breakthroughs across tasks. In computer vision, models recognize faces, classify images, and detect objects. Natural language processing enables computers to interpret and interact with human language. NLP covers translation, sentiment analysis, text classification, and speech recognition. It powers chatbots, email filters, transcription services, and helps extract insights from customer feedback. Generative AI uses machine learning models to create new content. These models, such as transformers and GANs, produce realistic text, images, music, and code. Generative AI accelerates workflows and sparks creativity, enabling personalized marketing, automated content generation, and even composing music. We've seen how machine learning adapts, deep learning perceives, NLP understands, and generative AI creates. Together, these technologies transform our digital lives and open new possibilities. Stay curious, our AI journey continues. Join us next time to dive deeper into how these technologies shape the world. Ready? To unlock the full potential of AI in your life, don't miss our exclusive offer. Click the link below to access up to 35% off our complete course to jumpstart your AI journey. Sign up is free. Let's shape the future together. With the skill set and knowledge you'll acquire through AI integration course, you'll have the foundation to shape what's next. The future is built by those with the understanding of tomorrow, today.